Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reboot Redmi 13X. Okay, so to reboot this device we need to open up the power menu first, and we do it by clicking the power button and volume up button, pretty simple. So click both of the buttons, just like that, and now we need to simply drag this white ball into the reboot. Now release your finger, and now within a few seconds the device will be automatically turned on back again, and it will be ready to use. Also, performing a reboot from time to time might help with the speed of your device, and it can also solve problems such as unresponsive screen, for example, or when the device is lagging. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.